question 8. Question 8 is actually testing you on mole concept, or to be more specific, asking students to calculate the molar concentration of a substance. So let's take a look at the question. A student dissolves 1.71 gram of barium hydroxide in 250 cm cube of water. What is the concentration of hydroxide ions? They are focusing on hydroxide ions in the solution. Okay, so first things first, when you are attempting mole concept, the first part, you must always be able to write out the correct chemical formula of a compound. So barium hydroxide, barium, it is a group 2 element. Okay, so it has 2 valence electrons. The atom will lose 2 valence electrons to form Ba2 plus ion. Okay, barium ion. Hydroxide ions, students must know that the charge or the formula of the hydroxide ion, it is OH minus. So when you do the cross method, we focus on the charge. Okay, no number means 1. Okay, no value means 1. OH minus means OH 1 minus. Okay, so bring the numbers down diagonally. It is 1:2. What does this ratio tell you? I need 1 barium 2 plus ion to balance out the charges of 2 hydroxide ions. Hence, the formula for barium hydroxide, it is BaOH2. Okay, first part down. The next part, to find the number of mole of barium hydroxide, I will need to find the molar mass of barium hydroxide. So how do I find molar mass of barium hydroxide? I will just have to add the relative atomic mass following the ratio of the elements in the compound in the formula. Okay, so barium, I have 1. So 137, I have 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 bracket 16 plus 2 bracket 1, I will get 171 gram per mole. Take note, for molar mass, we have a unit and it is gram per mole. If the question is asking for relative molecular mass will have the same value as molar mass. However, because relative means we are comparing, right? So the units get cancelled out. So relative molecular mass, no units. However, the value will be the same as molar mass. Okay, so I already have molar mass. I am given the mass of barium hydroxide in the question. So the next part is to find the number of mole. So number of mole of barium hydroxide, okay, we find it by taking mass divided by molar mass, which is equals to 1.71 gram divided by 171 gram per mole, you will get 0.01 mole. Okay, however, look at the question. They are asking you to find concentration of hydroxide ions. This 0.01 mole, it is referring to the number of mole of barium hydroxide. So in 0.01 mole, in 0.01 mole of barium hydroxide, the number of mole of hydroxide ion, okay, it will be 0.01 mole times 2. That's twice as much when you look at the chemical formula. Okay, refer to the cross method as well. We have twice as much hydroxide ions. So we will have 0.02 mole of hydroxide ions in that 1.71 gram of barium hydroxide. Next, okay, we are down with the first part, number of mole of hydroxide ions. So the last part, to find concentration, okay, concentration, the formula to determine concentration is number of mole divided by volume. Okay, take note that in the options given, the units are all mole per dm cube. In the question, you are given 250 cm cube. So you need to convert 250 cm cube to dm cube. How? Divide by 1000 and you will get 0.25 dm cube. Okay, 250 over 1000, it will be 0.25 dm cube. My concentration of, okay, to be more specific, of hydroxide ions, it will be number of mole of hydroxide ion, 0.02 mole divided by 0.25 dm cube. The answer that we will obtain is 0.08 mole per dm cube. Hence, your answer is